Mr. Box.
Oh my, it's been like 3 minutes since the last video. Normally I'm saying, hey, been a while. I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone for the response to the rap video, the Superlink Sprung video. That went down far better than I thought it would. A big cheers to everyone who watched it and everyone who followed links. And if you like that kind of thing, like, get over to Junkheap Dave's channel. He's the only reason I made that rap video, and possibly will make some more. I loved writing lyrics with Dave and writing some songs with a massive F. That's Zorty and Luff too, so get over to Junkheap Dave's channel to check out some more videos just like that. He is like the king of this stuff. We'll do a little Boxhound. I've been to Smith's and grabbed a Sideways because I just could not wait until next week at TFN, could I? Decided today was the day to grab one. Let's not pretend all of you would have done exactly the same thing. And we can never have enough toys, can we?
I don't want sugar. Why have you put him here?
But I've been looking forward to this. Sideways from the movie line. I've been really enjoying collecting the studio series this year. Side collection. Unfortunately, he doesn't split in half. And now I'm not sure if I want him. TFNation is on Friday. Me, Luff and Johnny will be staying at the Hilton. Johnny's on the floor though. How are we going to get out of bed with Johnny on the floor? Ah, oh, Johnny. Johnny's on the floor. Really looking forward to TFNation. It seems like 5 minutes since we were last at the Hilton. And I know it's really cliche to say that, but it really does feel like 5 minutes since we were there. When in reality, there's been this massive time vortex, hasn't there? It doesn't feel like it's been 3 years. Maybe that's because when you're grown up, time just goes really, really quick. Or maybe it's because I loved lockdown. Despite there not being conventions, I'm going to say lockdown was one of the best times of my life because I didn't have to go outside, didn't have to see people I didn't want to see. You guys are alright though. What are we gonna buy? I know some people love to save up all their cash and go in that dealer hall and just get straight down to buying all the stuff that they want from the year. I don't want to do that. I don't like the pressure of having to get up early and go into the dealer hall and risk not getting what I want. So I was going to grab Sideways next week, but obviously I don't need to grab Sideways anymore. I'm not sure what I'm going to get. I'll probably have a look for some glorious Japanese Unicron Trilogy stuff, which is more and more rare nowadays at TFNation, or more and more expensive. You ever come back from a convention with loads of toys and just got instant toy burnout? I definitely have. It's like when you used to order in a full wave of Transformers and they'd all arrive at once and you'd open them all at once. You'd spend like half an hour taking them out the packets and then just lay back on the floor like you're in a massive food coma, but the toy equivalent. It's going to be good to see people there. Really good to see people there. Small InGen crew, but we'll have a great time. Massive, glorious arms. When he smashed through that building, he didn't look like his arms were this big. That dead end repaint was blooming glorious. I remember Bubs had it and I loved the head on it. His head looks like a toaster that's been stepped on by more toasters. Giant toasters with big toaster feet. Whoa! I didn't know they did that. His hands are completely articulated. Grippy action on both. That means you can hang him off shelves and make him look like he's doing that thing where you hang from shelves. Door. Oh no. Already these windows are smashing off everywhere. Fold that wheel out of the door. What were Trev and Simon? I don't know if Trev and Simon were absolute geniuses or the worst thing to happen to children's television. Why do his wheels look like train wheels? They are train wheels.
50 million times.
The door just goes, hey! I'm off for tea. I'm actually super impressed with the underneath of the car. Motorbike head. If you haven't heard about it or don't know who Ben is, get on over to Waspshot's channel.
How many Twixes?
He's put together a zine full of toy reviews and photos and cool stuff, and a bunch of us have written for it. He's going to be giving those out free at TFNation. Ben, that's amazing. I'm really looking forward to reading the zine this year, mate. Big thank you for the invite to write for the zine.
About 33.
Look at that for a fit. We are level with the road. Everything just tabbed in, like really nicely. I'm impressed. Beyond, I'm not that impressed. It's a toy. An Audi, it was an Audi R8, wasn't it? It's not that far off what an Audi R8 should look like. Car licensing. Maybe they just didn't want to pay. They probably just didn't want to pay, did they? Wasn't the original all silver? Possibly. It was dark. I'm super happy to have him. Oh, crumbs, I forgot his gun. There's his gun.